Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make a DoorDash delivery account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the website at doordash.com/dasher to sign up. Once you're on the website, the first thing to do is to enter your zip or postal code. Then click on Next and enter a valid email address. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Once you're done, click on Continue. Now on this page, enter all the required information such as your legal first name, middle name, and last name. However, if you do not have a middle name, click on the tick box beside No Middle Name. After entering the details, click on Continue. Here, you will be prompted to select your vehicle type. After selecting one, enter further information about your vehicle. Then at the bottom, you will see a question asking if you have a vehicle insurance. If yes, click on the tick box. Once you've entered all the required information, click on Continue. Now, you need to verify your identity by scanning your driver's license. To proceed, click on the Continue button. First, take a photo of your driver's license by clicking on the Take a Photo button. After that, they'll prompt you to verify yourself because they need to make sure if it's really you. Simply click on the Take a Photo button, position your face to the camera, and follow the on-screen instructions to turn your face left and right. You could also do this to another device by clicking on the Continue on Another Device button. If you also like to do this on another device, you need to verify your identity. Here, I chose to verify via sending an SMS. Once you've selected the verification method, click on Send Secure Link. Then a message will appear saying that they already sent the secure link. Once verified, click on Continue. On this page, you will be having a background check, so enter all the required information. After entering the information, click on Continue. At last, review all the details and read the disclosure. After that, click on Continue. Once you're on this page, you will see the progress of your application. As you can see, it says that your background check is being processed. Once the process has been completed, you will receive an email saying that your account is ready to go and you're officially a Dasher. So that's basically how you can make a DoorDash delivery account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.